Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Mazda CX-5 remote battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. A clean, well-lit area is crucial for this task. Before you begin, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the key fob's design. This simple preparation will make the process much smoother and prevent any accidental damage. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small slot on the side of the casing, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your remote. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your remote to confirm they are working properly. You should see the indicator light flash with each press. If everything works, you're all set. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.